Hello dear friends, this is an initiative taken by Matosri Pratishthan NGO for competitive examinations online coaching program and especially to create an awareness about agriculture education and the importance of agriculture in competitive examinations. So this program is an initiative of Matosri Pratishthan in association with Masters IAS. In this session, we are going to discuss about general information about the UPSC Civil Services Examination, how to prepare, what are the strategies to adopt, and importance of agriculture in Civil Services Examination, and then we'll discuss about some points about your optional subject, what parameters should be there to choose optional subject, and why agriculture. So let us begin. These are the following points that we are going to discuss in this session. First one is UPSC CSP trend analysis, then UPSC 2021 notification, then importance of optional subject, how to choose optional subject, what are the parameters, advantages of agriculture as an optional subject, syllabus for agriculture optional, and reference material. So this is the trend and topic wise analysis of prelims 2013 to 2020. In this you can see the importance of agriculture since 2013 to 2008. There are on an average 5 to 8 questions you can see there in the examination for civil services preliminary examination. So this is the number of the questions directly asked on agriculture, but you can see the agriculture is such a stream that subject, so you can find out its roots in various other subjects, like some part is there in the biology section of your science, some part is there in your economy, right, and some part is there in your geography. So if you combine all these sections with respect to agriculture, you can find the more number of questions asked in preliminary examination and as well as main examination. So 2020-21 notification, so last date is now over. It was 24th March 2021. Preliminary examination is going to be conducted on 9th of May 2021 and main examination for 5 days on 17th September if COVID situation permits. So preliminary examination is for common for civil services examination and Indian Forest Services examination, IFS. Preliminary examination is just a screening mechanism to select candidates for main examination. So let's turn to the optional subject. In a civil services main examination, you can see there are two papers for optional subject, paper 1 and paper 2. Both papers comprises 500 marks and means 250 marks each. Scoring is easy comparatively. General sections of GS1, GS2, GS3 and GS4, because it is your optional subject, you have chosen it, and it is a major deciding factor because total number is 1750 for main examinations marks, and out of which you can see 500 marks is reserved for your optional paper. So on an average percentage, approximately you can say the weightage of optional paper is around 25 to 30% in your main examination, right? So most of the students are having a question with optional subject, which optional subject to choose, why to choose, and what are the parameters to choose. So I can say here, so in case of parameters you can see background of your UG, that is one of the major parameter, because if you go through the syllabus of every optional subject, you can find out not all optional subject syllabus is familiar, you are familiar with. So if you choose any subject as optional subject which is related to your UG, then you are familiar with that particular subject. The second part is your interest. Third one is availability of resource material. Right. So these are some parameters uh, to choose optional subject. And the most important point here I want to mention is your 3R strategy. So what is 3R strategy in civil services examination preparation? So 3R strategy, in this 3R strategy, first R is, that is right guidance. So you need guidance, you need a right guidance. You just do not need guidance, you need a right guidance, because since choosing study material, since choosing your optional subject or coaching class, whether to choose or not, if you want to join a coaching class, which coaching class you want to join, these are the things that you need a mentor for this. And after choosing, after finalizing the things also, you need right guidance for your preparation in whole your preparation journey, right? So second R is your right study material. Right study material in such a sense that every study material is right, you cannot say some right or some wrong. Study material is right, but why in case of civil services examination, yes, there is, you can say, right, choosing the right study material is the important factor, because in this ocean of information, ample amount of study material is available, number of books and notes are available in the market. You can say, if you go to the market, it is like some people are going to the medical wala and asking him, भैया मुझे खांसी हो गई है, कोई दवाई दे दो. It is kind of thing I have observed in the market. Students are going to the booksellers with a particular list, and the booksellers also producing some particular list, that's ये ले लीजिए भैया, ये ट्रेंड में चल रहा है अभी, most of the faculties and toppers are talking about this book, ये ले लो. So this kind of thing happens with students, and students get confused while choosing a right study material. So right guidance, right study material, and third R is your right efforts in a right direction. Once you finalized with your right guidance, right mentor, then you have chosen right study material, then only you can work in a right direction, you can take right efforts in right direction. So this is a 3R strategy for your preparation. So mentor is important in your whole course of journey. Then relevance of syllabus with GS paper. So here we are talking about optional subject. So whatever the optional subject you are choosing among the list given by the commission in the notification, so choose such a subject that it should be relevant to your GS paper. Like here we are going to discuss about particularly with respect to agriculture. So let us begin. And there are some more points I want to mention here. First one is understanding the pattern of the examination. It is the basic thing. You just need to understand the pattern of the examination first, or then the syllabus of the examination. Read it, write it, read it, write it till you don't understand it, till you, and once you understand it, then only start your preparation, right? So without understanding the reading is not enough. Without understanding the syllabus, each and every point given in the syllabus, you should not start your preparation journey, and you should not start making notes, right? So once you understood the pattern of the examination and you understood each and every word in the syllabus given, and then you can go for a previous year papers analysis. Previous year paper analysis is the key of examination, and after following these 3 steps only you can start your core preparation. So here we are going to discuss about why agriculture, why to choose agriculture as optional subject. In an earlier slide we have seen the importance of agriculture in case of numbers. So it has a weightage of 500 marks in your out of 1750 marks in your civil services main examination. So you can see the importance of your optional subject. So agriculture is a scoring subject and factual writing, easy to recall. So here you have to means like factual writing is there in agriculture. Familiarity of your questions. Most of the questions when you read syllabus, you read in your EG, UG, and some part of syllabus is related to your preliminary and main examination. So you are familiar with this subject. So जीएस का प्रीलिम और मेन में इसका रिलेशन बहुत सारा लगता है. So and if you see the previous results who have chosen agriculture as optional subject, so scores are around, means like there is a potential that you can score around 280 to 300 plus marks in out of 500. So syllabus लेंदी नहीं है इसका, and direct connection of the syllabus of optional agriculture with your GS section. So that is the importance of agriculture. So let us discuss with the syllabus of paper 1. In paper 1 you can find agronomy and crop production, forestry and agroforestry, weed management, soil science, dry land agriculture, agricultural economy, agricultural extension, and in paper 2 cell biology, genetics, plant breeding techniques and applications, plant physiology, seed production and new technologies, horticulture and floriculture, entomology, pathology, national agricultural policies and programs, and some miscellaneous and current events part. So how to start preparation? So first you need to understand the syllabus and analyze past previous year question papers. So based on that you can divide the syllabus in topics, subtopics. Keep here narrow approach. So you just once you understood with the topic and you analyze the previous question papers, you can understand the depth of the questions and you can define it will help you to design your own notes, right? So अगर आप अच्छे से समझ लेते हो सिलेबस और प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स को एनालिसिस करके, so आप you can make notes accordingly. Answer writing practice in a stipulated manner with authentic data based on reports and relevant examples. So आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस भी करना है आपको and with relevant examples and database reports. So what are the reference material and authentic resources that you have to use? So India yearbook and magazines like Yojana and Kurukshetra, special issues on agriculture, and important articles on agriculture of some newspapers like the Hindu, Indian Express, and some regional papers, editorial. Authentic government sources, स्पेशल टेलीकास्ट ऑन एग्रीकल्चर, राज्यसभा टीवी है, उसके बाद गवर्नमेंट के जो भी ऑथेंटिक वेबसाइट्स है, राज्यसभा टीवी पर एग्रीकल्चर से रिलेटेड बहुत सारे एपिसोड यू कैन फाइंड आउट देयर. सो इट विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड द सब्जेक्ट. देन गवर्नमेंट ऑथेंटिक जो वेबसाइट्स है उसमें आती है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्ट्री है, उसके बाद स्टेट एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्ट्री के वेबसाइट्स है, और सम इंटरनेशनल लेवल की जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लाइक FAO, फूड एंड एग्रीकल्चर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, नेशनल लेवल में ICR है. सो दीज आर सम ऑथेंटिक सोर्सेस फॉर टू gather the information with respect to your syllabus, in relation to your syllabus. And these are some books, reference material. इसमें हैंडबुक ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर जो ICR पब्लिश करता है, दैट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट सोर्स, इंफॉर्मेशन सोर्स है एग्रीकल्चर के लिए. उसके बाद द फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर बाई अरुण का, प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ एग्रोनॉमी रेड्डी एंड रेड्डी का बुक है. देन एक्सटेंशन कम्युनिकेशन एंड मैनेजमेंट बाई GL रे. इंट्रोडक्टरी सॉइल साइंस है DK दास का. इकोनॉमिक्स एंड फार्म प्रोडक्शन एंड मैनेजमेंट राजू एंड राव. एंड दीज आर सम लिस्ट ऑफ reference material and authentic sources. You can take a screenshot of this.